Hello. Yeah, I've been actually trying to fix this stream for some time, and initially there was a bit of noise with the streaming. So the main problem was with the software. I was using an old OBS. So the main problem was with the software. I was using an old OBS. So the main problem was with the was with the problem was like I've been actually listening to my, which obviously is not a great thing when you actually speak about things. Or anyway, so a few issues fixed. The main issue was when you actually speak about things. Or anyway, so a few issues fixed. The main issue was when you actually speak about things. Or anyway, the reason why I'm issues fixed. The main issue was when you actually speak about things. Or the reason why I'm even though I don't have any, I've been trying to practice this session for my, even though I don't have any, I've been again trying to practice this session for my, so far today I've been actually been again trying to practice this especially so far today I've been actually been at a higher time resistance from the fall, especially it went for a pullback and then coming back again, and from the fall in here I short, and then it went I did I'll show that's on the coming back again and 1 hourly chart. So this is the chart, and then it went I did so we doing Australian dollar US. This is the 1 hour chart. So this is the resistance that I marked on the 4 hourly chart. So we doing Australian dollar US. This is the 1 hour chart. This is the resistance that I marked on the 4 hourly, and the support is we doing Australian dollar US. This is the 1 hour chart. This is the resistance that I marked on the 4 hourly, and the support is we doing Australian dollar US. Sorry. So resistance for our resistance for our support. So we can actually see the same thing on our. So I think I find this is the bit easy way to for think our support. So we can actually see the same thing on our. So I think I find support. So we now we are looking at support. So we can actually see what I did was like I at 8. I think I find support. So then now we are looking at the reason why I did that closer to the support because so then now we are looking at the reason why I did that closer to the support because obviously in here I usually go with the my account is because obviously in here I usually go with the what the account is size, and as soon as I do a quick move here I usually go with the cost down size, and as soon as I keep on running move here I usually go with the cost down size, and good move as soon as I keep on running move I usually go with the cost down same. So because it's a good chance it's gonna take the support, because when you look into here so you can actually see it's a good chance it has created a support here the support as well. I haven't actually into here, but it's yeah. I mean, like it's a good chance. It just created a support, and from there, it's been actually well. I haven't actually into here, but it's yeah. I mean, a good support on high time, and from there, it's been actually there's a good chance it's actually come here. So when I looked at, there was a good support on high time, and from there's a good chance. And so total of when I looked at, there was a good support on high time, and from there tried like a 2 times, and the total of one. When I looked at, there was a or so, and the other thing is like I don't want to lose the profits. The total of here or because I remember there was one time like I don't want to lose the profits. The total of here trades. He was actually entered Neighbor. There was one time like I don't want to lose the profits. But here trades. He was actually entered Neighbor here. They like to support. I think for him he was actually doing here trades like from supports from the here like support, and then the market was coming up closer to the like resistance from the, so he there was like there's a chance that the high chance was coming up closer to the higher he exit of, so he actually good tip, and I actually heard the same thing higher trader as well exit of, so he's actually good tip, and like the heard the same thing higher trader as well exit of, so that has areas like that has been tried before, and so in this case like this area has been tried here once, the areas like at a tried before, and so in this case like so that's why, and then it comes to here I X, and then it was I was expecting there was a pullback to come and take this and I'm still expecting the price to go a bit more higher. So I'm thinking like if the price can go up higher, and if I'm still expecting the price to go a bit more higher. So I'm thinking like if the price can I ended with a smaller positions. If you look into, you can actually see that I ended like a 0.1 position, somewhat ended with a smaller positions. If you look into, you can actually see that I ended like a so somewhat that I have shorted from here, and if it actually so somewhat that I have goes up from here, I'm happy to take the loss. Like a total of it actually I got it today, and so it's in a smaller contract. So far sitting at 6, and I'm not entering any contracts right now. So if the prices actually go up to this resistance or something like that, I may add few more contracts. But at this stage, right now, so if the prices actually go up to this broken down this area, I may add more contracts. But at this stage, right now, so people say like in this area to buy, but because I have, I may add more contracts. But at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage, right now, had some people say like profit area to buy, so for my $3,500 account, say like at this stage. Anyway, leave that. So basically, I type in here. Yeah, really have a look. Anyway, leave that. So basically, so if my account size account balance is only dollar, have a look. Anyway, leave that. So basically, 3,000. So if my account size and account balance is only the 1% of it is $3,000. So if my $37, I can risk. The 1% of it is and $37 I can risk. I had a drawdown percentage of it was and only $37 I can risk. I had a drawdown was and only $37 I can risk. Dollar I had a drawdown. So that is not a good strategy, obviously. But I can risk dollar market is down. So that is not a good strategy, obviously. I feel like, but take that risk. Sometimes, like market is like how much not a good strategy, obviously. I feel like, but take that risk. Painful, but it takes a bit of time to get back to where you are. That is why, but take that risk. Painful, but it takes a bit of time to I take where you are. That is why with a higher volume, but it takes a bit of time to high position. I take where you are. That is why with a higher volume, but it takes a bit of time to there's a minor move. I take from this. That is why with a higher volume, but it takes a bit of time to there's a minor move. I take and somewhere here, or like say this one. I think I exit here in this area, and somewhere here, or like say this one. I think I exit. This is where exactly where I was. I won't actually wait and touch in here as say this one. I think I exit out. This is where exactly where I was. So who are taking the first profit first here as say this one. I think I successful. That's what I heard. But the thing is like sometimes that's what I heard. The key factor in this is like thing is like sometimes if you are that's what I heard. Check whether the audio is. The key factor in this is like thing is like sometimes if you are that's what I heard. Check whether the audio is. The key factor in that is like you get successful. Say like I had a drawdown of 200 $200 this evening, so you can factor in that prices going up. You get successful. Say like I had a drawdown of 200 and prices $200 this evening, so it was and prices going up. You get successful. What happened was like drawdown of 200 and prices when I was actually I got a profit going up. I got a profit of like $1,500. So what happens is like I knew that it was like a $200 loss drawdown. I got a profit of like $1,500. I've been profit. I've been in profit. So next time when it goes to like maybe that $200 I've been like drawdown or $350 drawdown, I may hold on to that. But if the condition is violated, so if the drawdown, even if the drawdown is there, but if the condition is violated, if the condition is violated, so if the drawdown, even if the drawdown is there, but if your condition, if your condition or criteria, if your condition or if the if your condition, if your condition or criteria, if your condition criteria is violated, or criteria, if your condition you must it is violated, or criteria, if your condition you must it is exit the position violated, or criteria, if your condition you must so it is exit the position is what do you say so it is exit the position. Now I'm sitting at $7 86 what do you say $7 86 cents profit. Now I'm sitting at and $7 so basically coming back to this one, so if you're sitting in a drawdown of $300 or so basically coming back to this one, you must have that. So if you're courage to take the loss when your condition is getting violated. I think there was a time so if you're courage to take the loss when your condition is getting violated. Like recently, like last month, fifth. So then I think I was trading recently, like $7 US dollar, and then the market was then I was holding on for some reason. So they like this kind of drawdown. I've been actually adding on. The market was then I was holding on for some reason. So they like this kind of drawdown. I was actually holding on, adding on, and then up and went up, and then what happened? I was sitting at a loss of $2,300. So I went up and took it. Then and so because of that loss of $2,300, and then I kind of like so because of that, but the thing was repeated same kind of mistake, so I was getting to kind of like back end because of that, but it did the same as repeated same kind of mistake, so I was getting to kind of like $3,100, but it did the same as and same kind of mistake, so I was getting to yeah, some 3,000. And anyway, so so because I took the loss, and obviously that protected my account. Anyway, so and I like because I took the loss on back again, obviously. So it is like so this and I why like because that time my condition was violated, I didn't exit. I think I have the trade in here. I can so this and I why like so because that time my condition was violated, I didn't exit. I think I have the trade in here. I can so this and I why like so because that time my condition was violated, I didn't exit. I think I have the trade in here. I can so this and I why like so because that time this is a trade. So this is when the Japan carry trade happened on the 5th of trade 5th of so this is when the Japan so basically what happened on the 5th. I was actually doing shorts, and I was getting profits, and I was doing shorts in here. I was getting profits. So actually, it was a good day, and I was actually making doing shorts, and I was getting profits, and I was doing shorts charting here. So when you actually look into here, and I was actually making day, I was in profit on 2,200 on the 5th actually, and then on the towards the evening, profit on what happened was I kind of like coming here. I was making profit in this area. So if you look into this area, what happened was I was actually making profits like this area. Here was same area. This is the same area. Look into this area. What happened was making profits is this one. The reason I'll tell you a bit of interesting factor, because in during COVID time, the reason I'll tell you there was of interesting factor, because in during COVID time market was coming down quite a lot, and there was interesting factor because in inflation prices and geopolitical situation and getting bad, and when this all bad thing happening, and this wick, this is the 4-hourly chart, see this wick was forming like this, the wicks was getting happening, and this wick was actually getting filled like that slowly, and then the market was actually going up. So this is where my first wick was actually getting filled like that slowly, and then the market was actually going up. So this is where my first wick was actually getting filled like that slowly, and then the market was actually going up. So this is where also the getting filled like that slowly, and then the market was actually going up. So this is where also the getting filled like that So then this was coming at playing at this resistance area. So when you actually look in this area, you usually see like you see that big candle, then this wick is starting getting filled, but it's been rejected from here. But then it was playing up with the resistance. So I have seen that many times in the past, and then usually the wick gonna get filled. So then it was playing up with the resistance. So what are you gonna do? So usually the wick, what I did was, so say then it was playing up with the resistance. So the market was getting down. What I did was, so then I was actually sitting at like $190 that trade didn't went up. I thought, okay, so it was moving really fast, and I thought, okay, it was like a stop loss, and then I held on and I added some more position. I thought, okay, so it was moving really fast. I thought, okay, condition is violated, and so I didn't exit. So that is how. Then I added more positions onto it, and then it went up. And in here, I closed exactly in here. I closed. Then I added more and then what happened? And then it went up. And in here, market was also exactly down. So if I held on to that trade, then I wouldn't have like lost any money at all. But anyway, so this is too much. Let's say down. Another lesson. If I held on to that trade, so basically what? So in here, if I was actually sitting at like say this morning, so sitting at like a what around of $210 or something like that, and if it violate my condition, so like if it goes beyond that round, then if the candle close, and if it violate my or like in a playing up in that area, I don't better to take that loss and go away. So it didn't happen. That's why violate my or like in a playing up in that anyway, I don't better to take that loss and go away. So it didn't happen. That's why violate my anyway, that's getting rejected now, and so where is next resistance? So this would be like a next resistance. So it's like around total of 18 pips. So far we're sitting at like around $7.56 cents. So it's like around total of 18 pips. So far we're sitting at like around basically cents. I will leave this trade open, because the reason that I would be leaving the trade open, because I'm sure that it's going to be like playing open here, and even if it goes up, say like I'm sure that we'll have a look at the position in here, and if we go into the look at the position in here chart, and it's on one hourly chart, and the where's our resistance. So it's actually sitting in here. So where is our position, and from here if I go resistance, I would be losing around 53 or $60. So what I will be doing is I would be losing around 53 or $60. So what I will be doing is I would be losing. I don't want to stop there, or just like if it goes up to there, I would be losing around like only $50 or something like that. But I'll leave that open, because there, even if it goes up to there, good chance it's losing around like only $50 or something, or else like I'll leave that open, because it's going to be good chance I'll take that long only $50 or something. So I put like a bit of area there, because my position is really very small, and so still it's more than 1% of my account, but the gain that $180 gain, so still it's more than like how much of my account, so the gain that $180 gain, so positive 5% is what like 4 point count, so the gain that I'm happy to risk like positive 5% is what like for a gain. It's not just give the market. I'm happy to risk like positive 5%. Predict anything like in the market. The reasons that I said like the market is going to come down, because if I'll predict anything like in the market, the reasons that I said like the market is going to come down, go in the 4 hourly chart. If I'll predict anything like in the market, so the market has gone up quite high with going the 4 hourly chart. See like, but obviously it's not too high for the market has gone up quite high with going the 4 hourly chart. See like, but obviously it's not too high for the market. Sometime last year high with going the 4 hourly chart. See like, but obviously it's not too high for the market. Sometime it could actually going the 4 hourly chart. See like, but obviously it's not too high for the market. Sometime it could more room to go up, but I think this has gone up. See like, but obviously it's not too high for the market. How pull back? It is more room to go up, but I think this has gone up. It's kind of like how pull back actually go up, but I think support in it's kind of like a candle, so kind of like candlestick. How pull back actually go up, but I think support decide whether it's go up, down, so kind of like candlestick price beyond the 4 hourly. cannot decide whether it's candle go up and above or price of money on the 4 hourly. Cannot decide whether price has opened up and above or resistance of money on the 4 hourly. What we have to know, price has opened up and above or we wait for that candle to on the 4 hourly. What we have to know, price has opened above. So we wait for that. Look into this hourly chart. What we have to know, price has opened how it's going above. So we wait for that. Look into this hourly chart. What you have to know, price has opened how it's going above. So and that's look into this. So with my trading style, my trading styles, and that's how actually I have developed my trading. So if you say like if your account size is like say how I will be having developed my trading. So if you say like if your account size more into account size and the amount be having I don't know like my large account. So if you say like if your account size more into account size and the amount last year I have so since then I've been actually trading only more into account size been into trading for last 2 years. So since then I've been actually so basically it comes to say like if your account size is been into trading for $100,000. So since then I've been and it comes to say like you're risking like 1% only $100,000. It should be like or maybe like even if 0.5%, you're risking like 0.5% per trade. Like or maybe like even if 0.5%, $1,000, 0.5% per trade. Like or maybe like be around $500. You're risking per trade, so get a $500 at $500 actually you're risking per trade. The person's daily after tax at $500 actually your commission per trade roughly around daily after tax that's a account size and with 0.5% roughly around daily after tax that's a account size and with 0.5% roughly around daily after tax that's a account size with 0.5% roughly around daily after tax take trades and patients take risk if you are actually take trades grow and don't go trading and go only with the market. It's not like it. So when it comes to even though I said all these calculations and all these profits don't look into that. So the only with the market is actually dictating even though I said all these calculations and all these profits don't look into that. So the market is actually dictating even though I said all these calculations and all these profits don't look into that. So the market so dictating so basically the market direction and the structures and the news so basically the market direction and the structures market is actually very and the news so basically to last week last week and the market is actually very and the news obviously so basically that I was actually having a good gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after obviously you so I was how actually gain after so if you actually look into this one you can see that yesterday was like $128 profit and this one today is like a 59 it says but yesterday was like $128 profit and this one roughly around is like a $300 profit so that I made like around close to 85% of this one balance in roughly around is like a $300 and my plan was like if like around doesn't actually 5% of too high that would be a good gain was like if you lose actually 5% and then say like so this is my that would be a good gain like last week and then say like it's okay so this is my that would be a good gain like last week and then say like it's okay so this is my that would be a good gain like last week and then say like it's okay so this is my basically say last Monday I had like a $461 of those, and then so I ended up the week with $461.89, so this is the week that I had the two 1,569, and this is the week that I had the two. So all the other weeks were except that one I could have exit. The only reason that I lost the money is because I didn't, and I actually held on for some other trades, but the problem was I was actually taking the sale. Like I took the loss, but I ended up only for some other trades. But the problem was so in here I took the loss 369, and so in here and these two, the crypto trades took on the weekends, but it's not these two the crypto trades took on the weekends, but it's kind of like not getting scalping. The crypto trades the forex, so I have done that on the scalping. The crypto trades the forex, so I have done so last week I didn't scalping. And then this if this week say like if I at least have like maybe $1,000 this if this week say like if I at least have like maybe $1,000 yeah, give me 5 more minutes, I'll be there. If this like if I at least have like maybe 500, yeah, give me $500 loss or another $500 on that one. I would have been 500 kind of like $500 loss or another 500 at least like on that one. I would have been 500 kind of like $500 loss or another 500 at least like on that one. So I would have been 500 kind of like $500. But anyway, that is that one, and this is so I would have been 500 kind of like $500. But anyway, that is that one, and this is so I would have been yeah the market actually down. But anyway, that is that one, and this is so I would have been yeah the market actually I would say because because I don't have the time to yeah the market, but I would do I would say because I don't have the time to yeah the market, but I would do I would say because I don't have the time to yeah the market, but I would do I would say because I don't so basically what's happening is like say in here the market is like going down. I won't be adding any happening is like the main reason I'm in here the market is like going down. I'm not going to see any happening is like the main reason I'm it open oh it can go I'm not going to see any so reason I'm it open oh it can go I'm not going to see any so that's all it open oh it can go I'm not going to see any so that's all it open oh it can go I'm not going to see any that's all I will oh it can go I'm not going to see any that's all I will